Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called vibration or the category vibration, and here we can adjust the vibration strength by tapping on one of the options. And we have off, so basically it turns off the vibration completely. Then we have weak and strong. So select the vibration level you like, and then you can press the select button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust or change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.